friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lost Bros from Steel or Brainrot. So first let's get started on the left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in the square for the head. So we're going to start on the left hand side, bringing this line straight down towards the bottom. And then we're going to come across on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now let's close this off on the bottom. We're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And then we'll just do the same on the top. Now let's move in towards the back. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the top. And then we're going to move in on the bottom, replicating that, ending that at the same distance. Let's close off the back portion of the head now. So we're just going to draw in another straight line that comes down, finishing that off. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a slight diagonal line coming across. And then we're going to flatten this out by bringing our straight line all the way over towards the right. Moving up above this straight line now, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. Let's leave a gap in the center, moving across on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of the eye. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for the second highlight. And then we're just going to color in that pupil black. Now let's move underneath for the mouth. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now we're going to connect this. We're going to round the corner out, curving this over and then in on the right-hand side. And then for the tongue, we're just going to draw in an arch line, bringing that line across. And then we're just going to color in the open space black in the mouth. Let's come down for the torso now. So stepping in slightly from this line, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We're going to step in from this line on the right, replicating that, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off with a straight line on the bottom. Let's draw in the left arm here. So we're going to curve this line out, around, and then back in towards the side of the torso. And then on the side here, we're just going to curve this back up and through, connecting that together. Let's draw in the legs. So stepping in, we're going to draw in two straight lines, leaving a gap in the center. We're going to move across, drawing in a diagonal line coming over for the top of the shoe. Let's draw on the top of the shoe here, the tongue of the shoe. So we're going to bring this line up, across, and then back down. And then stepping over on the outside, we're going to draw in another straight line coming up for the side of the leg. Now let's move in and we're going to draw in another straight line coming up towards the top. Let's close off the rest of the shoe. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down slightly towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're going to bring this line out on the side. Now from here, we're going to curve this line across. And then we're going to close this off by arching this line up, through, and then connecting that together on the side. Let's draw in the sole of the shoe now. So we're just going to curve this line over on the top. And then from the side here, just curving that back in towards the back. Let's draw in the laces. So we're going to draw in a curved line up above here. Let's move up above this, bringing this over and then back down. And then moving up again one more time. Let's replicate that. Now let's move across. On the right-hand side, at the same height here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line passing through beside the head, coming down towards the bottom. On the top here, let's bring this line straight across towards the right. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down, but we're not going to bring it down all the way. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to move up above this now, drawing in another diagonal line coming down. We're going to bring two diagonal lines, one on the top, one on the bottom across, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close off this rectangle with another straight line coming down towards the bottom. Let's close off the back portion now. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out from the top corners. We're going to straighten that out with a flat line. Let's draw another diagonal line coming out on the side here. And then again, we're just going to flatten this out with another straight line from top to bottom. Let's close off the bottom of the torso now. So on the side here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line through towards the right. Now let's finish off the arm. So on the back here, we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the side. Let's bring this line through towards the top. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line back over towards the side. Now from here, let's bring this diagonal line across. We're going to step up. We're going to close that off with another diagonal line coming over. Let's move up for the hand. We're going to bring this line up and down. And then we're going to move this line down on the side as well. And then moving up, we're just going to draw in another small diagonal line. Let's come in towards the top now. From this corner, we're going to draw our diagonal line coming across towards the right. And then we're going to do the same on the top left, ending that at the same width there. And now we're going to close this off with another straight line, bringing that all the way over, connecting that from corner to corner. Let's bring this line down now. So from that corner, we're going to bring this over and through towards the arm. Now let's come over and we're going to close off the arm on the right side here. So we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming over towards the side. Now let's come over, we're going to draw in the eyes. So right on the top here, let's draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap in the center coming over to the right hand side. And we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. On the top left hand side here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then coming down on a diagonal, let's draw in our second circle, just slightly smaller for the second highlight. And now we're just going to color in the pupils black. Now let's move over on the left-hand side for the eyebrow. We're going to curve this line around and then back down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And then again, we're just going to color in the eyebrows black. Now let's draw in the mouth. So from the left eye to the right, we're just going to draw in a curved line, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the mouth, rounding at that corner, bringing this over and through on the side. Now for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over and across towards the right. And then we're just going to color in the open space in the mouth black as well. Now let's draw in the leg. So this one's going to be slightly curved. So we're going to come in from the center, curving this line down for the left leg. We're going to step across, curving that back up. And now from the back here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming across. For the tongue of the shoe, we're going to bring this line up, over, and then back down on the left. And then to close off the leg on the left-hand side, curving this line up. Now let's draw in the back of the shoe. We're going to curve this line down slightly towards the bottom. We're going to bring this line out on a diagonal towards the middle. Now from that side, we're going to curve this line around towards the left. And then we're going to bring this line up and over towards the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoes. We're going to curve this line out. And then from the side here, we're just going to bring this line up on a diagonal. Now for the laces, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Moving up above, curving this around, back down on the right. And then moving up again one more time. Let's replicate that. Now let's draw on the right leg. From the center over on the right, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to step over, replicating that again, curving that through. Let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then with this open space here, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up. Now from here, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and then down for the shoe bending. On the back, we're going to curve this line across towards the right. Now on the front here, we're going to curve this line over, ending that at the same distance as the line on the top. And then we're going to close that off with another curved line from top to bottom. For the sole of the shoe, again, we're just going to curve this line out and then bringing that back up towards the top. And then here, we're just going to draw in a bend in the shoe, bringing this up and then back down on the right. Up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're just going to draw two curved lines on both sides of this coming down. And that is it. That's how you draw Lost Bros from Steal a Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.